Welcome to an adventure into the heart of Tbilisi, Georgia, a city brimming with hidden treasures waiting to be discovered. Tucked in the fold of the mighty Caucasus Mountains, this city is a melting pot of history, culture, and charm. Tbilisi is a city that has seen the rise and fall of empires, yet it has never lost its spirit. It stands today as a vibrant testament to resilience, a city that has been built, destroyed, and rebuilt over the centuries. Each era has left its mark, creating a cityscape that's a fascinating blend of architectural styles, a juxtaposition of the old and the new. Picture a city where cobblestone lanes wind their way up from the banks of the Mutkhvari River, leading you to ancient fortresses that stand guard over red-roofed houses. Now imagine the same city with soaring skyscrapers and modernist structures that stretch towards the sky, a testament to the city's relentless march towards the future. That's Tbilisi for you. But the charm of Tbilisi is not just in its architecture. It's in the way the city has managed to straddle two continents, Europe and Asia, absorbing influences from both, yet retaining its unique identity. Tbilisi is a city where you can walk down a bustling street lined with Turkish bathhouses, turn a corner, and find yourself in a quaint European-style square filled with outdoor cafes. It's in the way the city's history is etched into every building, every street, and every face. It's in the aroma of freshly baked khachapuri wafting through the air, the sound of traditional polyphonic singing echoing through the narrow lanes, and the sight of centuries-old churches standing tall against the backdrop of modern buildings. So, whether you're a history buff, foodie, adventure seeker, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of a city that has stood the test of time, Tbilisi has something to offer. Buckle up for a journey into the depths of Tbilisi's best-kept secrets. Tbilisi's heartbeat is its people, who are renowned for their warmth and hospitality. These are the words you'll hear time and time again when discussing the capital of Georgia, and there's a good reason why. The people of Tbilisi are the city's lifeblood, and their welcoming nature is the city's soul. As you wander through the city, you'll find that Tbilisi is a melting pot of cultures and traditions, a place where East meets West in the most harmonious way. This cultural diversity is reflected in the faces of the locals, each one a unique blend of the city's rich history and vibrant future. From the artisans in their workshops, shaping the city's future with each stroke of their hammer, to the elderly locals who hold the city's past in their stories, the people of Tbilisi are as diverse as the city itself. In the heart of Tbilisi, you'll find a community that is as welcoming as it is diverse. There's a saying in Georgia, "A guest is a gift from God," and in Tbilisi, this is more than just a saying, it's a way of life. From the moment you step foot in the city, you're treated as an honored guest. You're welcomed into homes with open arms, offered the best seat at the table, and served the most delicious food. This hospitality isn't reserved for special occasions or for close friends and family. It's extended to everyone, from the stranger on the street to the visiting tourist. Let's share a little anecdote to illustrate this. Once, a group of travelers found themselves lost in the winding streets of Tbilisi. Seeing their confusion, a local grandmother, or bibia, as they call them in Georgia, invited them into her home. She didn't speak a word of their language, and they didn't speak a word of hers. But with smiles, gestures, and a warm bowl of khinkali, a traditional Georgian dumpling, they communicated just fine. That's the kind of hospitality you can expect in Tbilisi, the kind that transcends language barriers and creates lasting memories. The people of Tbilisi are the city's greatest attraction, their warmth and generosity a beacon that draws travelers from all corners of the globe. Their stories are the city's stories, their laughter its music, and their hospitality its most enduring tradition. But it's not just about the people you'll meet in Tbilisi. It's also about the friendships you'll make, the stories you'll share, and the memories you'll create. It's about the feeling of belonging, of being welcomed into a community that values hospitality above all else. It's about experiencing a culture that is rich in history and vibrant in its diversity. So, whether you're exploring the city's historic sites, tasting its delicious cuisine, or simply taking in the vibrant atmosphere, remember, you're not just a visitor in Tbilisi. You're an honored guest, a friend, a part of the community. And that's what makes Tbilisi not just a destination, but a home away from home. The people of Tbilisi truly make the city an unforgettable destination. Prepare your taste buds for a culinary journey through Tbilisi's delectable cuisine. In the heart of the Caucasus, where east meets west, Tbilisi's cuisine is as captivating as its winding streets and breathtaking views. A trip to Georgia's capital isn't complete without indulging in its culinary delights, where every dish tells a story, and every flavor is a testament to the country's rich history and vibrant culture. Let's start with khachapuri, Georgia's national dish that is as comforting as it is delicious. Imagine a boat-shaped bread crammed with gooey cheese and topped with a raw egg and a chunk of butter. The cheese, the bread, the egg, and the butter melt together to create a dish that is as soulful as Tbilisi itself. Then there's khinkali, the Georgian dumpling that demands your full attention and skill. These doughy parcels are filled with spiced meat and a savory broth. The trick is to eat them without losing a single drop of that precious juice. It's a fun, delicious challenge that is a must-try for any food enthusiast. But it's not just about these iconic dishes. Georgian cuisine offers a variety of flavors, from the smoky eggplant rolls filled with walnut paste to the succulent grilled meats and the fresh salads dressed in plum sauce. Each bite is an explosion of tastes, reflecting the country's diverse landscape and rich cultural influences. And let's not forget about the wine. Georgia, often referred to as the cradle of wine, boasts an 8,000-year-old winemaking tradition. Whether you're a wine connoisseur or a casual sipper, Tbilisi's wine culture is something to be experienced. From the family-owned vineyards to the trendy wine bars in the city, the wine here is more than just a drink, it's a way of life. In Tbilisi, food is a language, a way of expressing hospitality and love. It's a blend of tradition and innovation, a mirror of the city's past and its dynamic present. The tastes of Tbilisi are as diverse and exciting as the city itself. Beyond the bustling city life, Tbilisi holds a wealth of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Unfolding the corners of this city is like flipping through the pages of a gripping novel, where every turn reveals a new, captivating chapter. Let's kick off this exploration with the Dry Bridge Market. It's not your typical marketplace. It's a living, breathing museum of Georgian history. Here you'll find an eclectic mix of antique trinkets, vintage records, and Soviet-era memorabilia. Every item tells a story. Every vendor has an anecdote. The Dry Bridge Market is a place where history isn't just observed, it's lived, traded, and cherished. Now, imagine standing at the crossroads of ancient civilizations, where the wind whispers tales of bygone eras. That's precisely the feeling you get at the Javari Monastery. Perched atop a hill overlooking the merging of the Mouthwatering and Aragvi rivers, this 6th century monastery is a silent testament to Georgia's rich religious history. The panoramic view from Javari is nothing short of breathtaking, a real feast for the eyes. Next, let's venture into the heart of the city, where Tbilisi's signature sulfur baths await. Nestled in the Abanotubani district, these baths have been a vital part of the city's culture for centuries. The warm, mineral-rich waters offer a unique, soothing experience. If the city's walls could talk, they'd tell tales of poets, writers, and artists who found inspiration within these steamy chambers. These sulfur baths aren't just about relaxation, though. They're a social hub, a place where locals and visitors alike gather to unwind, share stories, and experience a quintessential part of Tbilisi's lifestyle. The baths are a testament to Tbilisi's name itself, which translates to warm place. But Tbilisi's hidden gems aren't limited to these landmarks. They're in the narrow cobblestone streets of the old town, the traditional khachapuri bakeries tucked away in quiet neighborhoods, and the vibrant street art that adorns the city's walls. They're in the laughter echoing from a supra, a traditional Georgian feast, and the serenity of a quiet afternoon stroll along the banks of the Mouthwatering River. Each of these places contributes to the city's unique charm, painting a vivid picture of Tbilisi's past and present. They're a testament to the city's resilience, its enduring spirit, and the warmth of its people. Tbilisi's hidden gems are a testament to the city's ability to surprise and enchant. From the bustling Dry Bridge Market to the serene Javari Monastery, from the soothing sulfur baths to the vibrant streets of Old Town, The city offers a rich tapestry of experiences. So, when you visit Tbilisi, don't just see it, experience it. Go beyond the well-trodden tourist trails and dive into the heart of the city. Listen to its stories, soak in its culture, and let it surprise you. Tbilisi's hidden gems offer a glimpse into the city's soul, making every visit a unique experience. Why should Tbilisi be on your travel bucket list? Well, let's find out. First off, the city's affordability is a big draw for travelers. Tbilisi gives you the opportunity to experience a unique blend of European and Asian cultures without breaking the bank. From pocket-friendly accommodations to economical eateries, Tbilisi ensures that the charm of exploration isn't overshadowed by hefty price tags. But there's more to Tbilisi than just affordability. The city is steeped in rich history that's palpable at every corner. From the ancient Narikala Fortress standing guard over the city to the cobblestone streets of the old town, every nook and cranny of Tbilisi has a story to tell. A walk through its streets is a journey through time, as you discover remnants of the city's past amidst its modern urban landscape. The diverse culture of Tbilisi is another reason to put it on your must-visit list. The city is a melting pot of cultures, where East meets West. This diversity is reflected in everything from the city's architecture to its art scene. Orthodox churches stand alongside modern skyscrapers, while contemporary art galleries are just a stone's throw away from traditional puppet theatres. Now let's talk about food. Tbilisi is a gastronomic paradise for food lovers. From the cheesy goodness of khachapuri to the hearty flavors of khinkali, the city's cuisine will leave you craving for more. And let's not forget the Georgian wine, believed to be one of the oldest in the world, which adds a delightful note to every meal. Lastly, Tbilisi's vibrant nightlife is the cherry on top. From lively bars and clubs to late-night food stalls, the city truly comes alive after sundown. Whether you're a party animal or a night owl, Tbilisi's nightlife has something for everyone. With so much to offer, Tbilisi is more than just a stop, it's a destination. We've journeyed through Tbilisi's charm, tasted its flavors, met its people, and explored its hidden gems. We've walked through the cobblestone streets of the old town, marveled at the eclectic architecture, and felt the vibrant pulse of the city that never sleeps. Tbilisi is a city that blends the old and the new, a city that respects its past while eagerly looking forward to its future. We've met the locals, warmed by their hospitality and intrigued by their stories. The people of Tbilisi, with their warm smiles and open hearts, are the city's most precious treasure. They've welcomed us into their homes, shared their traditions, and taught us the true meaning of Georgian hospitality. We've savored the city's flavors, indulged in khinkali, a traditional Georgian dumpling, and sipped on flavorful Georgian wine. The cuisine here is a delightful fusion of East and West, a culinary journey that tantalizes the taste buds and leaves you yearning for more. We've unveiled the city's best-kept secrets, from the breathtaking views from Narikala Fortress to the therapeutic sulfur baths tucked away in the heart of the city. We've discovered hidden gems off the beaten path, adventures that make Tbilisi not just a stop, but a destination. Tbilisi, with its unique blend of history, culture, and modernity, offers an experience like no other. It's a city that calls out to the wanderers, the adventurers, the food lovers, and the history buffs. It's a city that promises an unforgettable journey, a city that leaves a mark on your heart. Now, as we close this chapter of our journey, we invite you to join our community of Globehopper explorers. Your next adventure awaits, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Subscribe and like this video to embark on more captivating journeys around the globe. Dive into the unknown, explore new cultures, and uncover hidden gems with us. Enjoy custom itineraries that are uniquely tailored to members of our community. Join the community of Globehopper explorers. Subscribe and check out our link in bio for special deals and offers for you, our Hopper community. Until next time, keep exploring.